Here we are with another amazing video. Thanks for being here and thanks for supporting us. We are back again with another amazing video. Our today's video is how to upcycle your metal horseshoe, craft and art ideas and the home decor tips and tricks to upcycle your waste in a better way, and you can decrease your carbon footprints. Metal horseshoes have been a staple and the aspiration word of the countries. Not only they provide a several benefits and sport to the protection for a horse, but they also have a rich cultural history and the static appeal that make them ideal for crafting home decor projects. In this video, we will explore some creative ideas for upcycling metal horseshoes into a unique work of art and the functional home decor. If you are a book lover, consider using a pair of metal horseshoes as a bookend. Simply sand them down and give them a coat of paint or a rust inhibitor to protect them from further rusting. Then glue them to a wood base to keep them upright and sturdy. This will not only add a rustic charm to your bookshelf, but will also keep your book organized. Another simple yet effective use of metal horseshoes is to turn them into a coat hanger, attach them to the piece of wood or metal rods and hang them to your wall. You can even paint them in a fun color to match your home decor. Metal horseshoes can make for a great wall art, especially when combined with other equestrian elements like horseshoes, nails, and the bites. Arrange them in a pattern to shape that appeal to you and hang them up using picture hanger and adhesive stripes. Transform metal horseshoes into a candle holder by placing a candle in the center and securing it with a bit of wax and the adhesive. You can also paint them to match your decor and add a embellishment like ribbon or the laces. Metal horseshoes can be used to add a unique touch to your garden decor. Try using them in a planter or as a part of trellis or garden fence. You can even paint them in a bright color to create a fun and the whimsical look. For functional and the stylish addition to your home, using metal horseshoes to create a wine rack, simply bend the horseshoes into a shape of wine bottle and attach them to the wooden board or a metal rod. This is a great way to showcase your wine collection and add a touch of rustic charm to your home decor. Keep your jewelry organized and within the reach by using metal horseshoes as a jewelry organization. Simply attach them to pieces of wood and metal and hang your necklace and the bracelets from them. You can also paint them in a fun color and add a decorative element like beads and the sequences. When it comes to upcycling horse metal shoes, the possibilities are endless with the creativity and the basic do it by yourself skills and the knowledge. You can transform these functional items into a beautiful work of art and the functional home decor that will reflect your unique and the personality, whether you choose to use them as a bookend, wall art, or even a wine rack. Metal horseshoes are a versatile and a charming addition to any home decor. Keep your key organized and easy to find them by using metal horseshoes as a key holder. Simply attach them to a piece of wood or metal and hang your key from them. You can even paint or decorate them to match your decor or add a touch of personality. Create a relaxing and shouting and soothing atmosphere in your home by using metal horseshoes to make wind chimes. Simply attach them to the piece of string and the finish line and hang them from a branch or hook. You can also add other elements like beads, feathers, and the added texture and the visual interest. Add a touch of rustic charm to your dining table by using metal horseshoes as a centerpiece. Arrange them in a cluster or a line down the center of the table and fill them with the flowers, candles, and the other decorative elements. Get in the holiday spirit by using metal horseshoes to make Christmas or nan ornaments. Simply add a string or a ribbon or for hanging and decorating them with the paint, glitter, and the other festive embellishment. Turn your metal horseshoes into a unique picture frame by attaching them to a wooden board or backing and adding a photo of piece of art. You can also paint or decorate them to match the photo or the artwork frame. Add a touch of equestrian flares to your front door by using a metal horseshoes as a door knocker. Simply attach it to your home decor using screws and the adhesive and enjoy the charming sound it makes when guest arrives. Making a statement of your next networking event by using a metal horseshoes as a business card holder. Simply bend them into a size of a card holder and display it on your table or the desk. Add a touch of rustic charm to your outdoor by using a metal horseshoes as a part of garden sculptures or the outdoor art installations. Arrange them in a pattern or shape that appeals to you and enjoy the unique look they bring to you and your outdoor spaces. In conclusion, metal horseshoes are versatile and the unique material that can be used in a variety of crafting and the home decor projects, from functional items like holder or coat hanger or the decorative elements, wall art, and the table centerpiece. There are countless ways to upcycle metal horseshoes into a beautiful and the functional work of art. So why not give it a try and see what creative ideas you can come up with. Here is our today's video. Thanks for being here and thanks for watching our video. Keep watching and keep subscribing. Thank you so much.